I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnay Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnay Quezon the First. What will I say at this moment is this one, na unti. Love life, and then it is feeling boyfriend, girlfriend. What myself during year 2019 to Alex ang Gementisa Jr. ko is talking. When it comes on to talking, boyfriend and girlfriend vibes on such as about high school memory. When it is about high school memory, Alex Jr. ko talks during high school year, and then myself is on year 2019. That is the communication of me and him. And then when it comes on to feeling, myself is calm, and then love life is Alex Jr. ko, and then what else it is during that moment. Girly is me. My girly doing to Alex Jr. ko is such as uh, yung piyong piyong, something such that. Something such that is my being girlfriend to Alex Jr. ko. Oh, such that. Piyong piyong. That is that is the vibes of myself to Alex and Diamantisa Jr. ko during year 2019. And then what it is the on myself during girlfriend, boyfriend of me and Alex Jr. ko year 2019 is typical. The typical of such as uh, 20th century existence. Year 2025 days is slapping my ear while I talk in here. If I say the year, such that, and then when I slap my ear, that is this currently year 2025. Always remember such that. Because year 2019, I never hurt myself. Only year 2018, I hurt myself, which is not my body movement. Always remember that. And then when I slap my ear on my camera video, that is this during year 2025. They tends to get of my feeling. Now they is putting chest pain at the moment. I say the word at the moment, meaning to say this currently year is they hurting me. So during year 2019, my feeling to Alex Jr. ko is calm. And then what else it is? Such as a vibes of a girlfriend wants to cling it to boyfriend. The clinginess is harutan. Harutan there is. Tends to do body movement, and then uh, mild on hurting. The mildness is such as biting, and then will tends to give food mouth and hand. Oh, lover ko talaga, Alex ko. Oh, they is killing me talaga. Year 2025, they is killing me. What else it is? When I flirtatious, when it comes into flirtatious, excuse me, that is a doing of myself to Alex Jr. ko ever since. Flirt, flirtatious to Alex Jr. ko during year 2019 is talking, and then Alex Jr. ko is on high school year. It is being returned on my left eye, my own feeling. But it is being get of left ear, the voice that talks. And then now they is uses black magic so that they could get the feeling from my left eye on the right eye. Now my chest is on pain. Margie Talanya is talking on my right ear. Oh, this is so nakakawindang. This is so shocks. They is killing me. And then myself is pertains to condominium apartment that they is killing me. Nakakaloka yun. Seryoso. That is why I will never socialize to this girl. And then what is being shown on my panaginip, the original happening about it is me and Corina. O di ba? Grabe. Grabe. Akin lang, Alex ko. Akin lang, baby ko. What else it is? Year 2019. At the moment, the right ear is putting on heaviness on the right eye. And then it is ache in here, left forehead. What else could I say? Year 2019, there is me and Alex Jr. ko is flirting. The flirting style is on mouth, talking, such as uh, sometimes no talking. It is a body movement of wherein uh, the word is sinusubuan. That is Tagalog word in English word. Tends to feed. No, that is tends to feed. And then the left ear. They not want me to have my own feeling, even though myself is love life of Alex ko. I just use papaya soap for to calm. And then this is the result. I just noticed the smell of enemy ko. Yeah. And I want to say such that I am just babe person. Please naman no, kill those person that talks on my ear. They is pervert eh. What else could I say? May panagi, they is targeting this. Wait. Kapal na mukha mo pag yung sarili mo, matay sarili mo. Alex, is this will happen? This one? It is on Naiya. It is a form of dating, you and me. Is it will happen? Huh? I feel shocked. And then not wants to talk. Is it will happen? Oh, wait. Oops. Ano ito? Ilikilo ko. Nirit kami ni Alex kasi bilang ginip. I feel shocked. I could not talk. Why? Shucks, gulantang. Because of the word form of dating. Naon to talk. My eye was looking in there. Wants to cut my tongue. And then saying, behave. We'll talk the 7-year black magic. Gising ako. Awake is me. Dating. La. I not eat for lunch at the moment. I will end my camera video 15 minutes and 45 seconds. On the previous camera video of myself, it is 35 minutes and 45 seconds. This one is 15 minutes and 58 seconds.